For this episode, a guy who thinks he's rich is eliminated, so you know what's going to happen. What? What's going to happen? Wait, please. Good thing I got life insurance. So today's challenge is to find every single color you see here. So go. Yo, let's go. Let's go. White is everywhere. It's literally in the walls. Wow, so much detail in the walls. It's only white. Yeah, white. Yo, let's go. I'm black. I myself am black. Oh no, where will even find green or brown? Wall thinks you are dumb. Whatever. Yo, Lunchley, you're pink. We found one. And I am red and red and blue. Yo, wait, hold on. You're orange since brass, made out of copper, by the way. Whatever. Since you're made out of since you're made out of copper, copper is orange. That's what Minecraft told me. Yo, we're all yellow, and yellow it resembles royalty. Yeah, I'm number 1. I'm a crown. Banana. Hey guys, didn't you forget that purple resembles royalty back in the day? Yeah, but now it's yellow. So vote any of these people to get out. Only in the poll, in the posts tab.